think of it as a virtual trade school, like the places where you go to earn a certification to get a specific job in a specific industry versus going to an all-out college university. You know, those schools that certify you in this, where you get your NCCER and all of that stuff, and then you can go work in this field or that field or that field without having to take the majors like English, history, and all those type of things. Well, Boss Suite is very similar, except one, it's all online, and two, it contains trades and skill sets that you're going to need in the modern day world and in the future times that are ahead of us. I'm talking skill sets like how to do user generated content, how to do affiliate marketing, how about flipping and thrifting, and things of that nature. Amazon reviews, making digital content, using AI like ChatGPT, as you can see right there in the background of my screen here. Actually, what you're seeing back there, that's how the Boss Suite looks once you pay your intuition fee. And we'll go to the second page so you can see even more of the modules here. Each module is meant to upgrade your skills and upgrade your mindset and teach you step by step, full on curriculum. For example, if we go to the Etsy, how to make money with an Etsy store, these are all skills that you can bring. But once you click on the module, you'll see to the left side there are the lesson courses, and if they all expand too. If you notice, we can expand one, and there's far more right there underneath. So they are very, very detailed. Look at this. Look how many is there. That's lessons and sub lessons underneath the lessons. You're not getting some rinky-dink 60-second tips and tricks here. You're getting the full on-call lesson. Okay, let's look at one of them. Let's go ahead and listen to one of them. Let's scoot down here. Let's get on this one called Getting Paid. We'll go ahead and let it line up because I really want you to get a sense of what you'll be getting with the Boss Suite. So if I just go ahead and click on play, just listen for a few seconds here. Just a few seconds. I can only play so much of it. And hopefully you can hear that, but she's going on how to actually set up getting your payment. Hopefully you can hear that. But yeah, I just wanted you to get a sense of the feel of how in-depth these are. You know, you're not getting some rinky-dink lessons here. You're getting the full top-of-the-line curriculums. We're not BSing you here as you get with some courses. Some of these digital marketing courses, you know, you get, and all they are is just information telling you how to resell that course. But there's no actual value in the course except but how to resell it. Now, full disclosure, I'm an affiliate of Boss Suite. So Boss Suite does offer a way that, hey, you can resell it. And once you go through some of these many courses that it has, you're going to realize, well, this thing is very valuable and very worth reselling. I mean, why wouldn't you when it's bringing you so much benefit, when you're updating your skill sets, and now you can go online and make income via various routes. Some of them don't involve showing your faces. Some of them don't even involve using the internet at all, if you can believe it or not. You just have to go on the course and see. And one good place you can go to is you can go to moderndayincome.com. And right there, hey, the creator, Miss Madison Haddon, she even has where she gives you a sneak peek behind the scenes. She might go a little further deeper into what I just went into in this short video, but you can take that sneak peek. But one of the greatest things you'll also find at moderndayincome.com is you'll find a thing that says a quiz. And I just want you to know, when you take that quiz, it's going to tell you which is the best income generation avenue route you should take, because there's over 20 plus now, and they're always adding more here in the community, here on the inside in the virtual classroom. So you're going to want to take that quiz, and it's going to ask you just a couple of questions to help hone in on what's the specific income generation strategy for you. That's moderndayincome.com. Of course, you can definitely hit that get the boss button that you're going to see there. Go ahead and invest in your skill sets. And for those who qualify, we do have payment plans. I can't guarantee that you'll get accepted on the payment plan, but a lot of our members and students are coming in on payment plans. Some are coming in with no money down and they're getting the full course. And I got a special bonus for you guys too. I don't want you to miss out on that because there's some training on how to make your own software without having to know coding, without having no big time computer skills, and you can make your own software, charge a recurring monthly fee for people and businesses to use that software, and hey, make a good amount of money for that.